Okay, so we're going to run with it like it was. It looks like it should work. Luckily, with this boiler, I got a bunch of spare junk. So I was able to find some much more acceptable screws to go down in there. Because that could be a pretty evil environment that they live in down there. So you get the holes lined up here somewhat, and only somewhat. Should be interesting to get them in there, but yeah, next we'll go this ring. Should go right in there. Hopefully we can get all the holes to line up here. Of course, it'll be a bit of a struggle, but hey, there we go. There's one over there. Okay, that'll be another two-handed job, so let me lube up these screws and stick them in there.